Hello everyone, I'm back to do a bit of an updated video as it came to my attention that in the last tutorial I left out some details that would probably be helpful to some people, so I just thought I would make a new one and go over how to actually get the drawing into your software. So to get started, obviously you're going to need a picture of your original drawing. How do you get that, you may be asking? Well, here's how I do it at the very least. This can be done by taking a picture with your phone or if necessary the webcam of a computer. Another less common method, but one that's still viable, is using a printer/scanner to scan a copy of your actual drawing onto the computer as a file. Once you've done any of these methods, you can proceed in a few ways. If you've taken a photo with your phone or an external device, you can then transfer the image to your computer in a number of ways. Ways that I use are emailing myself the image so that I can access it on my PC, or alternatively, you can send it to someone on Discord, which then you can access your DMs on your PC and save or copy the image. Once you have the image on your PC, you can then copy the image file, whether it be through an email, on Discord, or as a saved file on your device. And then this pops up with the prompt once you get into Clip Studio Paint to create new from clipboard. The rest of the tutorial will leave off where the other one starts. So beforehand, you're going to need a picture of your traditional art, whether that be a PNG, a JPG. It doesn't really matter as long as you have a good picture of it. To start, you're going to go up to your File tab where you create a new file, and if you'd like, you can create a new file, but what I typically do is I go to Copy from Clipboard, which makes the drawing your canvas. Once I have the drawing down as my canvas, I'll adjust the canvas size. To do this, you go up to the Edit tab and down to Edit Canvas Size. You can set your canvas size as the default 4K resolution for a good result when viewing your drawing, but really any canvas size works as long as it fits your drawing within it. Now that we have our drawing in a proper canvas size, we can create our line art layer. To do this, navigate to the Layers tab, wherever that may be on your screen, and select New Layer. You can create a normal layer or a vector layer, which allows you to adjust the lines once you've already drawn them. For this, I'll just be using a basic layer for my line art. To select a layer, you just click on it. The pen next to it tells you you're editing that layer, and the eye toggles whether it's visible or not. What I typically do is I turn the opacity down on the layer of our traditional art, and then I go to the background layer and I make that a darker gray. For me, that's just a personal preference, but it makes it easier for me to see the line art and the contrast of what I'm outlining. And then make a new layer above your traditional art. Before we start our line art, it's important to select your pen or your drawing tool. I'll just be using the default pen for simplicity purposes, but you can use just about any brush or pen you'd like. Now that we have our pen, we can draw our line art with the traditional drawing. Now is a good time to adjust certain parts of the lines from the original drawing that you don't like. I'm going to turn on the time lapse of my line art, and at the end I'll go over any extra important details. Now that we're to this point, all that's super important to mention is that I believe Clip Studio Mobile, or for iPad or whichever, for like tablet, has a line extraction feature which allows you to extract lines from your original drawing rather than drawing over them yourself. I would recommend doing this method. Again, it's up to personal preference. I think their thing works very well, but yeah, this is how I do it, and I hope this helped at least some people. I'm going to let this video finish out with the rest of my speed paint. I ended up coloring because I felt like it. And so yeah, hopefully you enjoyed. If you found this helpful, if you want to see more videos like this, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. That'd be really helpful. Thank you.